Hello everyone, welcome back to Chinwe's Kitchen. Merry Christmas everyone. It's been a minute here, and for every Christmas celebration, fried rice is always the menu for the day, and I'm so happy to share my fried rice recipe with you all. So these are my ingredients and they will be listed in the description box, so you can do well to check it out. So let's get into it. So I have a pot of water on the fire and it's going to boil. I'm going to add this water to my rice because I do not parboil the rice whenever I am making fried rice. Okay, so I'm pouring in the water now. I will allow this to sit for some time. Next, I'm going to be adding my meat stock. When it comes to preparing fried rice, the meat stock is the basic ingredient. I had to sieve the meat stock to get rid of bones and other particles. I'm adding more meat stock because I need it to be enough to cook the rice. I'm going ahead to add my seasoning cubes. Is the bay leaf. I love the flavor that the bay leaf gives to my fried rice. I'm adding curry again because I need the rice to taste really good even before the veggies. Yes. I'm adding salt. Fried rice does not need too much salt, so you have to be careful with salt. Next, I'm adding onions. And then followed by the spring onions as well. Please, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and do not forget to hit the notification bell so that when there's a new video from me, you'll be the first to get it. I'm also adding groundnut oil because I don't like my fried rice to look dry. We'll just allow this to boil. Then I'm going to be adding fresh pepper. This is just one fresh pepper. I like to add a little of it and I make sure I slice it into tiny bits. It doesn't affect the color of the rice when it's cooked. You will not even see the particle of it. All you will notice is the hotness because I like my fried rice to be a little bit hot. You can still go ahead to use your white powdered pepper. So I'm adding in the rice now, as you can see. I'm just going to stir and then allow it to cook. For the fried rice, I don't like it to be too soft or too hard as well. Okay, so it's almost cooked. It's almost cooked, so I'm just going to still give it time for it to dry up. As you can see, it is dried now and this looks really good. You can see the color, it's on point. Next is to prepare the veggies. Adding the oil will just allow it to heat up for some time. Adding my onions. We'll just allow this to fry for some time, not too long because I don't want it to be overcooked because I still have a lot of things to fry as well. I'm adding the carrot now. I am starting with the ones that are a little bit hard or will take some time to get cooked, so going in is the green beans now and followed by the peas. So I'm just going to fry this set of veggies for some time. Not that it's going to be very tender, but just a little bit soft. Yes, because when preparing fried rice, the veggies are not supposed to be overcooked. I'm just going to stir properly and then add the next ingredient. Okay, next is the green pepper and the chili pepper. Okay, and I made sure I removed the seed from the green pepper, yes, before using it. Okay, so it's looking good, right? Yes, and followed by curry. I like to use curry and I like to use Gino curry in particular. This is not a sponsored ad or anything, and I don't use the green color for fried rice. I don't know what it's made of, so I don't use it. And I'm adding my seasoning cubes now, and I don't add salt to the veggies. I just prefer to use seasoning cubes and curry, and that's fine. We'll allow this to cook for some time, and then I'm adding my cabbage, and the cabbage is the last vegetable to come in because it gets really soft on time. Okay, so I'm just going to mix this up properly. After mixing properly, we'll just allow this to cook for some time. Next is the liver, the diced liver. For me, my fried rice is not complete if I don't add liver. The liver is well cooked and seasoned. You can also add prawns to it as well. You can even add sweet corn too. Okay, all right, so it's almost ready. Okay, so it's ready. Okay, this next stage is the concluding part of the fried rice recipe. I do not just add the vegetable into the rice and just mix it up. No, so I have to fry in smaller portions. First, I added a little oil to the pan as you saw. Now I'm adding the rice in portions, followed by the veggies. So I'm just going to stir and allow it to fry for some time. Now this is what I'm going to be doing until I'm done with all the rice. So this stage, the veggies and the rice will just mix up properly and the taste will just be balanced. Okay, so this is how far I have gone. I'm almost there. So this is it, I'm done, and I'm just going to allow it to sit on the fire for some time. It's ready, and I don't cover the pot immediately. I allow the heat to escape, and then before later on I can cover it halfway. Okay, this is what it looks like. Serving it, so yummy. You can see it's in a single form, it's not cakey. And I served it with chicken. I hope you enjoyed watching. Please leave me your comments and just tell me what you think about this recipe. Thank you all so much for watching. I will see you in my next one. Bye.